Hey guys, so today is Monday. Let's look. We are going to learn about Nurse Gabby at our school. And then you will draw me something she does. So we're going to learn a little bit about her job and who Nurse Gabby is. Before we get started, let's look at that calendar. This is our calendar. It tells us what day it is, what month we're in, and our number and our day of the week. All right, up here, I still see the word September. It starts with the letter S, like Serenity, Sophie, Sophia. They also begin with the letter S. All right, yesterday was Sunday. Oh, another S. Sunday, September have the same beginning sound. Today is Monday, and then tomorrow will be Tuesday. All right, here's my number way down here. We have to figure out what number that is. You ready to count with me? Okay, this time I want you to use a cub voice because we're going to read a story this week about the little cub. You ready? A little cub is a lion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Good job, Meir. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. September 28th. September 28th, 2020. 2020. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny or is it cloudy or is it rainy outside? Is it windy or is it foggy or is it snowy outside? I looked out my window and what did I see? What did you see? I saw the clouds looking back at me. I saw the clouds. So I can put that cloudy. There was a day, there was so nice and cloudy was the weather. C-L-O-U-D-Y, 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 and cloudy was the weather. Look at all those words in the word cloudy. Let's count those words, those letters in that word. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 letters in the word cloudy. It also begins with a k, k like Cochrane. Cloudy have the same beginning sound. Did you hear it? All right. Today is Monday and the weather, I am going to write C-L-O-U-D-Y. Cloudy was the weather. All right. So let's take a look at what we were going to do today. Today we are learning about Nurse Gabby at our school. And you will draw something she does, and then you can illustrate it. So your job is to draw something that Nurse Gabby will do for us at school. Some of us are getting ready to come back to school next week. So we're learning a little bit about our school this whole week so that we are ready for when everybody comes back. And if you're staying at home, it's still good to know who Nurse Gabby is, just in case you do meet her, okay? All right, let's take a look at Nurse Gabby. So this is Nurse Gabby at our school. This is what she looks like. This is her room. Let's find out a little bit about Nurse Gabby.
Hi, Lana Bears. I'm Nurse Gabby, and this is my clinic. This is where you're going to come when you don't feel well, when you have a headache, when your tummy hurts, your throat hurts, or your ear hurts. Maybe you fall in PE or recess and you hurt an arm or in a leg, and you need me, and I'll be here to take care of you. We'll see you in October. Bye.
Wow, wasn't that awesome meeting one of our nurses? All right, remember that when you come to school, you're going to have to make sure you have on a mask. Miss Gabby might have on a mask, but you got to remember to look at their eyes, okay? Their eyes tell a lot about themselves, that they are super friendly and exciting, and that they're here to help you. Her job is to always make sure she's here to help us and keep us safe. And so sometimes we might go visit her, and we have to make sure we're brave when we go to visit her. So I want you to get your journal out And I want you to draw a picture of Nurse Gabby and maybe something that she does. So something she will do to help you. All right, and then you guys can upload it here. Again, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, caterpillars.